In this training series, I'm going to show you how you can get started making quality video content for your YouTube ads and your YouTube channel using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hi, my name is Nicholas Ayers. I'm the founder here at Major League Video Marketing, where I show business owners how to use YouTube ads and video marketing to grow their brand, grow their business, and grow their bottom line. This is the 8th and final video of this 8-part training series on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro to properly create your YouTube ads and your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly export your video out of Premiere so that it maintains the right settings and features and everything that you put into your video quality-wise in Adobe Premiere. Now, if you've just stumbled on this video and you're really only interested in export settings for Adobe Premiere Pro and you're not really interested in getting the rest of the training series, then do me a huge favor. Before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the little bell notification. But if you are interested in seeing the entire series from beginning to end, then you can do so by clicking on the links in the description below. Video number 1 of this training series focused primarily on the navigation of Adobe Premiere Pro, what to click on and where to go. Video number 2 is all about keyboard shortcuts and how to make your life easy and simple with simple, easy to understand keyboard shortcuts. Video number 3, we focused on how to splice, cut, and trim your video and audio clips. Video number 4 focused on how to edit audio, whether it was music or dialogue, how to give ourselves the best audio settings in Adobe Premiere. Video number 5 was all about transitions and effects of our videos. Video number 6 focused on titles and overlays. Video number 7 was all about color correction, and this video is all about how to export our videos. Now, this video is going to be relatively short and easy to understand, but once we have all of our clips done, they're all edited, they're all color corrected, we've got all our titles, we've got everything, and we're ready to make a final video, then I'm simply going to click into the timeline. I'm going to hit Control M, or I can go to File, Export, Media, and that's going to allow me to set my settings for export. And when you set these settings once, typically you won't have to set them again. And what I mean by that is you have multiple different formats, and this can get really confusing. Which one do I select? If you're just making a standard video for YouTube or Facebook or your website, you want to make sure you select H.264. That's the proper format to make a standard video. Think about it like this. For making a universal picture on your computer, it would be a JPEG. This is essentially the JPEG version of your video. I'm going to click on the blue hyperlink here, and I'm going to select a name. And so let's just give this a name. And then here it's going to show me what the summary is. It shows me already where it's going, what the size is, because this is the size of the video in my sequence. It shows me the frames per second. It gives me all of this stuff. It tells me that there's audio here. We're good to go. But if I want to kind of tweak this even more, I can come down here and I can say, okay, mess with this. I don't recommend it, and I don't really know why you would ever do this in most cases, but you can affect the width and the height. You can affect the frame rate. You can do all these things. Really, all you're going to want to click on is render at maximum depth. That's all you really want to do there. Assuming this is all correct, which it should be if your sequence was correct, you're going to just select render at maximum depth. You're also going to select use maximum render quality. Now, you could come in here and you can mess with these, but honestly, there isn't any reason for a beginner to do any of this stuff. You're just going to come in here and you're going to hit export, and then it's going to export your video. And depending on your computer and the specs of your computer, this could go fast or it could go slow. I'm fortunate that I have a pretty good computer, so exporting content can go pretty fast. But if you have a slower computer, an older model, maybe if your video card isn't up to speed or you don't have enough RAM, this could take a while. In fact, it could take a long time, and the longer your video, the worse it's going to be. So you might want to address that as you begin to do more video editing. You might want to think about the type of machine that you have, and you want to get a machine that's going to work for you in your workflow with Adobe Premiere. Now I'm going to X that out, and I'm just going to hit cancel. And once I have that set, if I ever come back here, it's going to automatically default to those settings. So I'm just going to go back to export, media, and you can see it's already defaulted to H.264. Use maximum render quality. I'm going to just reselect that again, and I'm going to export the video with the right title. I really hope you enjoyed this 8-part training series on how you can use Adobe Premiere Pro to make your YouTube ads and your YouTube videos. If you'd like more information on our program here at Major League Video Marketing, then I want to encourage you to click on the description below, click on the link that's going to take you to our website where you can learn a lot more about our program and you can even schedule a call with somebody from our team. YouTube ads are the best way to grow your brand, grow your business, and grow your bottom line. So click on that link in the description and we'll talk to you soon.